Crossville Magazine motorcycle graveyard. Not a graveyard actually. It's looks like everyone left the part here. It's a helmet back there. Brakes, chairs. There's even a jacket here. See what it says, Ninja. Oh my God! Look at this. He went straight to the back. Oh, ripped. See, it's a helmet right here. I'm gonna start grouping this apart. So this is definitely a Ninja. Kawasaki Ninja. Here we go. Let's see. This is from a 2014 R1. I can recognize this. A Hawk. Then that might be a Hayabusa. This looks like a... I don't know what that even looks like. That's definitely... We probably need to get back here. This is I Do It for the Watchers. Somebody died here, I think. 2017, 2007. Looks like a Honda. Some brother friends. This is definitely an R6. No, it's not an R6. So this is one of the most dangerous parts of town. Somebody died there too. Oh my God, seeing this really scares me. It's not the fact that these people crashed. It's like some of them didn't even have it wasn't not even their fault. Like this guy, died. This one also died. Looks from double 6000 Honda 6000 double R. Somebody died here too. That's very dangerous. We got a saddlebag here, torn into pieces. We got a bunch of helmets on top, exhaust systems. Let's see, this was a cruiser bike, the big Harley that has speed. A Honda, and I don't even want to think about what this is. Looks like a like they ripped their arm off. Something. Let's see here. Muffler right here. Muffler tip. Definitely this is 250 right here. Looks like a Ninja. Let's see another one here. Yeah. It's just really scary. This is no what that is. Just the Hayabusa. This is from Tiny Chicago Riders. The CX6R. That's definitely Kawasaki right here. This is a Honda. Joe, James, please big. Go big or go home. Damn. It's a pretty messed up place. Some shoes, Gore-Tex shoes. The rest in peace. Damn. I feel bad now. You look at this. Look at that wheel. The wheel got severe. The double R, the Ninja, Suzuki. Mostly 600 classes are here. Cruiser, another motorcycle here. Colorado. And Super Hawk. It's a very sad. They even have a dragon. Even somebody came here and wrecked their bike. Amazing. This is very, very amazing. We should leave something here that we have for motorcycling. Damn. It's definitely a motorcycle graveyard right here. A barn. Here's another R1. R1s are dangerous, let me tell you that. Yeah, there's another muffler right there. Shoes, tail lights. It's a brake here. Look at that. See, I'm not gonna start heading back because this isn't a good look. This was I would say some of them are really experienced riders. I would not say these people were dumb or anything like that. Veterans we got here. Oh my god. Look at this, the FC1. That motorcycle is not even meant to be racing. Here's that. Another. Oh my god, look at this. See the deer. Actually it was 4 months ago when this happened. Alright, there's another dragon. Alright, let's go. I trust my ninja. And we should leave here something memory for Crossroad Magazine. See what I have for motorcycles here.